Hi, my name is Rowena Desierto, and today I'm presenting my proposed study titled Comparing Stress Reduction Across Casual Video Games, Open World Games, and Mindfulness Meditation. My project is for the Experimental Methods and Statistics class taught by Dr. Daniels. College students experience high levels of stress, and researchers have been looking for accessible ways to help reduce it. Past studies have shown that different types of video games can lower stress, including casual games, competitive or cooperative games, and even large open-world exploration games. Other research shows that mindfulness meditation, especially guided body scans, is also effective at reducing stress. However, very few studies have directly compared these approaches in the same experiment. That gap is where my study comes in. My research question is, which type of stress reduction activity works best? Casual gaming, open world gaming, or mindfulness meditation? The goal of my project is to compare the stress-reducing effects of these three interventions. My hypothesis is that all groups will show reduced stress, but the open world game condition, using Minecraft Creative Mode, will produce the largest decrease because of its high level of autonomy and relaxation. This study will use a true experimental design with random assignment. Undergraduate students will come to the lab for one session lasting about 35 minutes. First, they will complete a pre-stress questionnaire and a resting heart rate reading. Then, they will be randomly assigned to one of three 20-minute interventions: playing the casual game Flower, playing Minecraft in creative mode, or completing a guided mindfulness body scan. After the intervention, participants will repeat the stress survey and heart rate measure. The main data will come from the change in stress from pre to post-intervention. To analyze the results, I will calculate change scores for psychological and physiological stress. Then, I will run a one-way ANOVA to compare stress reduction across the three groups. If the ANOVA is significant, I will use Tukey post-hoc tests to see which groups differ from each other using an alpha level of 0.05. This study is important because stress is a major issue for college students, and many need stress management options that are easy, affordable, and enjoyable. If video games, especially open world or casual games, produce stress reduction similar to or stronger than meditation, campuses could use them as accessible tools for student wellness. This study builds on past work, fills a clear gap by comparing these methods directly, and may help identify which type of activity works best for reducing stress in everyday student life. Thank you for listening to my presentation.